Alright, take your seats, please. I am Dr. Howie Feltersnatch, and once you get your syllabi, I'd like you all to pay attention to pages 4, 5, 6, and 7 regarding cell phone use. I don't want you to have a cell phone in class. I don't want you having it turned on. I don't want to have it on silent. I don't want airplane mode. I don't want it on vibrate. I want your cell phones left at home. If I catch you with a cell phone, I will ask you to leave. You will be dropped from the course immediately, expelled from the college, and sent to Guantanamo Bay. I want absolutely no cell phones whatsoever. I don't want you talking on them. I don't want you playing games on them. I don't want you looking up the weather. I don't want you talking to that computer chick. What is it?
Siri.
Yeah, I don't want you talking to her. Absolutely nothing. I don't want them on silent. I don't want them on vibrate. I want them not even in the room. Okay? If you need to reach me, my email is snatch@hotmail.com. All right, have a good weekend. See you next Monday.
Holy shit, I didn't think when I'm taking a German class I'd be with an actual Nazi.
I know, man. I'm like kind of nervous though. Like I need this class to graduate.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's my 6th year.
Holy shit.
I know, that's what my parents said.
Wow. Well, hey, show me that picture that you were drawing.
Oh, in class? Yeah.
Yeah.
Where is it? Come here, little drawing. There it is. Boom.
Oh my god.
Guten Tag and Fröhlich Grüßchen.
Yeah, please let me.
Guten Tag and Fröhlich Grüßen. Today we're going to start with grammar. It's a pretty easy subject. It's, once you practice and study often, then you will definitely understand the inner workings of the German language. Alright, now first we're going to start off with nominative. I told you not to have cell phones in class. No. I made it very clear. Wait, no,
Oh my god.
You brought this on. Class dismissed. Have a good weekend.